As parents, we wish that we could protect them from hurt, from pain, from disappointment, from failure. But the reality is we can't. But we can do something a lot better than that. We can teach them how to behave when those things happen so that not only will they survive, but they'll thrive as well. Science has shown us that there are 7 elements to strong character. And in this workshop, Solid as a Rock, I hope to share those 7 elements with you. I'm also going to show you how to assess your child's strengths and weaknesses, how to teach them the 7 skills that they will need to take on anything that life can throw at them. This is the skill of the future. Come and join me on Wednesday, November 17th, 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to learn all about how to help your child deal with any challenge that comes their way, not only bounce back, but thrive. My name is Dana Al-Sarraj. I am the founder of Parent Point and a certified parent coach. I hope that you will join me on November 17th for this incredible workshop. It has truly changed my life, and I hope to share it with you.